Are you looking to simplify your 3D printing workflow? The magic of Cloud 3D Print will be the tool you need. With Cloud 3D Print, you can forget about the hassle that comes with 3D printing and only worry about letting your imagination take form. Our unique approach to workflow management will make your task of managing 3D printers and printing jobs hassle-free. Cloud 3D Print has a state-of-the-art online 3D model, slicing along with feature-rich 3D printing monitoring capabilities. You will have the ability to slice your CAD model and monitor your progress for over 200 supported 3D printer models from anywhere in the world. Advanced project management allows you to manage quotations, invoices, expenses, to-do lists, and many more tools to help you. It can monitor your 3D printing habits and generate different types of reports that will record manufacturing flow, provide material and 3D printer usage data. Cloud 3D Print can be configured for hobbyists, educational institutions, 3D printing service providers, and small and large-scale businesses, where 3D printers are being used. With the help of Cloud 3D Print's powerful analyzing tools, you can efficiently manage jobs, minimize your failure rate, and maximize print quality. Cloud 3D Print's unique approach to user comfort will be sure to make you look forward to your next 3D printing experience.